Hey you guys, welcome to a new episode of Food and a Single Guy with me, your very own AMARU. There's nothing wrong with your audio, not a darn thing. I am recuperating from a serious flu. I had a fever of over 100. I had pains and aches in my body. I mean, listen, I'm not one of those guys that bitches and complains when they're sick. You know how some guys are like, I'm going to die. Get me the remote. I want you to call my attorney because I need to drop my last will and testament. Not today, honey. Not today. Not here. I'm not one of those dudes. Okay? But let me tell you, it has been an ordeal. I even had my neighbor to do some grocery shopping for me, bless her heart. And sometimes she watches these videos. So if you're watching this one, thanks again. Now you guys, I'm still recuperating as I just said. And on this video, I'm gonna make a very simple, very quick, very easy recipe, very easy dish that anybody can make. And this is the kind of soup, this is the kind of chicken soup that we make in my country. And I lovingly refer to this chicken soup as Nurse You Back to Life Vermicelli Chicken Soup. Oh yes, it's gonna be quick, it's gonna be healthy, it's gonna nurse you back to health and nurse you back to life. And I hope you'll give it a try if you're not feeling all that dandy, and let me know how it turned out, because you know me, I'm always interested in hearing from you, right? Now, without further ado, let us continue. All right, you guys, now what I have here in my bowl are some cuts of chicken. I have some wings, I have some drumsticks, I have some thighs, and I seasoned the chicken with some black pepper and some garlic powder, and I allowed it to marinate for about 15 minutes. Now, you guys, as you can see, I am using cuts of chicken with the skin still attached to it. That is going to generate a very rich broth, and that is what we want. Now, to this, we're going to add about 2 bay leaves, a couple of cloves, and a couple of pimento corns. There we go. Now, we're also going to add a crushed chicken stock cube, just like this. Now let's give this a quick stir, just like that. Now as you can see, I've also added some onions, and I've used some regular onions and some spring onions. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring this to a boil and continue cooking this delicious chicken soup. All right, you guys, so the soup has been boiling away for about 15 minutes. Let's check on it. Ooh, baby, this is looking good. It is smelling good. So next, what I'm going to add to the soup are my potatoes, and as you can see, I did not peel my potatoes. If you want to peel your potatoes, go right ahead. I do not peel my potatoes unless I am making a specific dish. Alright? Here we go. There we go. Now we're going to allow this to simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are nice and soft. Alright, beautiful people, I think these potatoes are done. Let's have a look-see. Oh yes, they are. Now, well, they're almost done. They're somewhat al dente, if you will. Next, what I'm going to add is the vermicelli. And I'm going to add about this amount. If you cannot find vermicelli in your neck of the woods, small, very small macaroni will do just fine. Alright? So we're going to add about this amount. Now we're going to give this a quick stir, because the vermicelli has a tendency to sink to the bottom of the pan and burn, and that is not what we're looking for. You guys, when I tell you it smells super delicious in here, I cannot wait. So we're going to allow this to continue to simmer for a remaining 5 to 6 minutes. Alright, you guys, as you can see, the meat is coming off of the bone. That is a clear indication that your soup is ready. I have just turned off the heat. Next, what I'm going to add is this red chili pepper, just like so. And not only is the red chili pepper going to give the soup a zing, it is also going to open all of my nasal passages, which is what I need. Alright, now lastly, I am going to garnish with some parsley, just like so. Then I'm going to cover the pot and allow to sit for a good 10 to 15 minutes before serving. And there's the finished product, my delicious soup. Very quick, very easy to prepare. It's still steaming away nicely. I cannot wait to dig in. It smells very, very good, and I tasted it. The taste is very, very good. Make sure to taste your food, you guys, because everybody's palate is different. All right? Alright, and there you have it, AMARU's Nurse You Back to Health Chicken Vermicelli Soup. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I hope you'll give this one a try and let me know how it turned out, because I'm genuinely interested in hearing how you're getting on trying out my recipes. Alright? I don't have anything else to report other than if you haven't purchased my album Champagne Attitude yet, the link will be posted below. You can purchase the album on CD physically or digitally on iTunes and Spotify and all of those beautiful platforms where they sell digital music. I would be most honored and thankful. Now, happy cooking, happy eating, happy weekend. Don't act crazy to the craziness, and I will see you when I see you. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.